Top 10 Mistakes Learners Make in English Speaking. Hello friends, welcome back to Spoken English Without Fear. I'm your host Bikesh, and today's episode is very special because we are going to discuss the top 10 mistakes English learners make, and how you can avoid them. You see, learning English is not just about memorizing grammar rules or difficult words. It's about using English the right way in real life. But most learners make the same common mistakes again and again. These mistakes stop them from becoming fluent, confident speakers. So today, I'll not only show you these mistakes, but I'll also give you simple tips to fix them. Stay with me till the end, because this episode can truly transform the way you learn and speak English. Mistake 1. Translating everything from native language. 2-3 minutes. Most learners try to speak by first thinking in their native language and then translating into English. Result? They get stuck, lose confidence, and speak very slowly. Fix: start thinking in English, even with small sentences. For example, instead of "मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ," just say directly, "I am drinking water." Mistake 2. Being afraid of making mistakes. 2 minutes. Many learners stay silent because they fear, "What if I speak wrong?" But here's the truth, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Fix: speak freely. Don't aim for perfection, aim for communication. Mistake 3. Focusing only on grammar. 2-3 minutes. Grammar is important, but if you only study rules, you'll never become fluent. Fluency comes from practice, not from memorization. Fix: balance grammar with speaking practice. Learn phrases and use them daily. Mistake 4. Using complicated words unnecessarily. 2 minutes. Some learners try to sound smart by using big, difficult words, but this only makes their speech unnatural. Fix: use simple, clear words. Remember, good communication is about clarity, not complexity. Mistake 5. Not listening enough. 2 minutes. Speaking is only one part of learning. Listening is equally important. If you don't listen to natural English, your brain won't catch the rhythm and pronunciation. Fix: listen to podcasts, movies, songs, or English news daily. Mistake 6. Lack of consistency. 2-3 minutes. Many learners practice for a few days and then stop. Learning English is like going to the gym, you need regular practice. Fix: practice at least 10-15 minutes every single day. Small steps, big results. Mistake 7. Speaking too fast without accuracy. 2 minutes. Some learners think fluency means speed. They rush while speaking, and their sentences become unclear. Fix: focus on clarity first, speed later. It's better to speak slowly and correctly than fast and confusing. Mistake 8. Ignoring pronunciation. 2-3 minutes. Many learners know words but pronounce them incorrectly, which affects understanding. Fix: learn correct pronunciation by using online dictionaries or apps. Repeat after native speakers. Mistake 9. Not using English in daily life. 2 minutes. If you only study English in class or books, you'll never master it. You need to bring English into your daily life. Fix: write your to-do list in English, talk to yourself in English, use English apps. Make it part of your lifestyle. Mistake 10. Giving up too soon. 2-3 minutes. The biggest mistake is losing patience. Many learners expect results in a few weeks. When it doesn't happen, they quit. Fix: remember, fluency is a journey. Keep practicing. Small improvements every day lead to big success. So friends, these are the top 10 mistakes English learners make. If you avoid these, your English will improve faster than you imagine. Let's quickly review. 1. Stop translating everything. Don't fear mistakes. 3. Don't over-focus on grammar. 4. Use simple words. 5. Listen more. 6. Stay consistent. 7. Focus on clarity, not speed. 8. Improve pronunciation. 9. Use English daily. 10. Don't give up too soon. Remember, English is not about perfection, it's about connection. So practice daily, stay confident, and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening to Spoken English Without Fear. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful episodes.